Workplace safety is a top priority for businesses in Rochester Hills, regardless of industry. A safe environment not only protects employees but also supports productivity, compliance, and long-term success. One of the most effective ways to maintain a safe workplace is by investing in professional commercial services. From routine maintenance to specialized upgrades, these services play a vital role in identifying risks, preventing accidents, and ensuring that your business operates smoothly. One of the key ways commercial services enhance workplace safety is through regular inspections and maintenance. Over time, building systems and structures can develop issues that may not be immediately visible. Electrical systems, roofing, flooring, and HVAC units all require consistent attention. Professional service providers are trained to spot early warning signs of potential hazards, allowing businesses in Rochester Hills to address problems before they escalate into safety risks. Another important aspect is compliance with safety standards and regulations. Businesses must meet specific requirements to ensure the well-being of employees and customers. Commercial service professionals understand these standards and help ensure that your property remains compliant. Whether it's maintaining proper ventilation, ensuring fire safety systems are functional, or keeping walkways clear and secure, these services help reduce liability and create a safer work environment. Flooring and surface maintenance are also critical components of workplace safety. Slippery or uneven floors can lead to trips and falls, which are among the most common workplace accidents. Commercial services that include floor repair, cleaning, and treatment help maintain safe walking surfaces. In high-traffic areas, this is especially important for preventing injuries and ensuring smooth daily operations. Lighting is another factor that significantly impacts safety. Poorly lit areas can increase the risk of accidents and reduce visibility in workspaces. Commercial services often include lighting upgrades and maintenance, ensuring that all areas of your facility are properly illuminated. In Rochester Hills workplaces, where early mornings and late hours are common, adequate lighting supports both safety and efficiency. Proper ventilation and air quality also contribute to a safe workplace. HVAC maintenance services ensure that air systems are functioning correctly, providing clean and consistent airflow. This helps reduce the buildup of dust, allergens, and other airborne particles that can affect employee health. A well-maintained system also regulates temperature, creating a more comfortable and productive environment. Another way commercial services enhance safety is through structural repairs and improvements. Over time, wear and tear can weaken certain parts of a building. Addressing issues such as damaged walls, loose fixtures, or aging infrastructure helps prevent accidents and ensures the building remains secure. In Rochester Hills, where weather conditions can impact structures, these proactive measures are especially valuable. Security features are also a key part of workplace safety. Commercial services often include the installation and maintenance of secure entry points, locks, and access systems. These features help control who enters and exits the building, protecting both employees and assets. A secure workplace not only prevents unauthorized access but also gives employees peace of mind. Emergency preparedness is another area where commercial services make a difference. Properly maintained fire alarms, sprinkler systems, and emergency exits are essential for handling unexpected situations. Service providers ensure that these systems are in working order and ready to perform when needed. This level of preparedness can significantly reduce risks during emergencies. Cleanliness and sanitation also play a role in workplace safety. Regular cleaning services help eliminate hazards such as spills, clutter, and debris. In addition, maintaining a clean environment supports overall health by reducing the spread of germs and bacteria. This is particularly important in shared workspaces and high-traffic areas. Professional expertise is what ties all these elements together. Commercial service providers bring experience, tools, and knowledge that allow them to handle a wide range of safety-related tasks efficiently. Their ability to identify risks and implement solutions ensures that your workplace remains safe and functional. In the end, Commercial Services in Rochester Hills enhance workplace safety by addressing both visible and hidden risks. Through maintenance, compliance, repairs, and upgrades, these services create a safer environment for employees and visitors alike. For business owners, investing in professional commercial services is not just about maintaining a building. It's about protecting people, improving operations, and building a foundation for long-term success.